looking at that as we head into Friday night and Saturday. But for us right now, still pretty cool. We saw those low-hanging clouds across the county continue, actually keeping our temperatures below the normal for this time of year. We're also looking at another chance for that dense fog tomorrow morning, and that looks like it's going to be clearing up as we head into 8:30, right around 9 for us in Bakersfield. Now our air quality getting a little bit better. We're actually down to that moderate range tomorrow, but right on that border of unhealthy for sensitive groups. So we have an AQI of 99 tomorrow, and there's no burning unless with the registered device. So now let's talk about this strong storm that we're seeing making its way down to Kern County in those late hours Thursday night into the early hours Friday. So this is right when the sun is up, and we're seeing that rain just across the county. Now Bakersfield could see up to 1/10 of an inch. The mountains could see closer to 25/100ths of an inch for them. But as we do head into those later hours, right when the sun is setting on Friday, we do see that snow starting to form down near Fraser Park at the base of the Grapevine. But as those temperatures drop, as it gets later in the night, we're seeing that snow all over our mountains, and now that's going to be dropping below pass level as we do head into Friday night and into those early hours Saturday. And it looks like it's going to be sticking around right around till 5:30, 6 a.m. excuse me, on Saturday, and then we're just going to see those breezy conditions. So in Bakersfield, we're looking at that biggest chance of rain on Friday. Now as we get closer to Thursday, it looks like we're going to be just seeing a diminishing chance, but that could continue for us on Saturday, dropping us down to 52 degrees, and then we're back up to those low 60s as we head into later next week. Kern River Valley tomorrow, they're going to be, on Friday, going to be seeing that rain dropping down to 45 degrees on Saturday. Now again, that snow is going to be below pass level in Kern River Valley, but they're just going to be seeing flurries. But as we do head into Tehachapi and Fraser Park, that's where we're going to be seeing the snow. So it is going to be potentially impacting the passes Tehachapi as well as in Tejon and Fraser Park. So just be careful if you are driving out of the county. Just make sure to leave more into those later hours on Friday. You're going to want to be leaving by at least 5 p.m. because we're going to be seeing those icy conditions continuing for us on Sunday and continuing into Monday. We're going to be down to 23 degrees as a low on Saturday. So again, those freezing conditions just continuing as we do head into the weekend.
All right, looking forward to some snow, but again, we've been talking about it over and over again about be respectful if you are heading out there.
Clean up after yourself.